Israel has launched a major military attack on Iran after an intelligence report suggested that Iran is very close to developing nuclear weapons. If Iran develops nuclear weapons, it could seriously threaten Israel's existence because these two countries are embroiled in a decades-long conflict. What makes the situation even more dangerous is that Iran supports various militant groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, and Houthis. If any of them gain access to nuclear technology, it could put global peace at risk. Meanwhile, the US has now entered the conflict, targeting and destroying three of Iran's most prominent nuclear facilities. This has sent shockwaves throughout the globe as Iran has vowed to retaliate against the strike. But the biggest worry is that what if Iran blocks the Strait of Hormuz? Strait of Hormuz is a narrow but a vital sea trade route through which around 25% of world's oil and gas passes through every day. Around 85% of this particular shipment is headed towards Asian markets like India, China, and Japan, which are heavily dependent on this Middle Eastern oil and gas. India itself depends on imports for over 85% of its oil and for over 50% of its natural gas, most of which comes through this particular trade route. If this trade route is blocked by Iran, it could skyrocket oil prices, spark global inflation, and disrupt financial markets. What are your thoughts on this issue? Let us know in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such stories.